Science and Discovery, Coin Spin Time Trials. In the bustling city of Scientopia, every Monday was Science and Discovery Day. Today, our young heroes, Alice, Billy, and Carlos, were especially excited to participate in the Coin Spin Time Trials. The goal: to find out why coins spin for so long when they're tossed in the air. Alice, Billy, and Carlos collected their tools: a shiny copper penny, a trusty stopwatch, sharpened pencils, and blank notebook pages. They took a deep breath, focusing on the task ahead. One by one, they took turns tossing the penny into the air, starting their stopwatches as it spun and stopping when it hit the ground. They wrote down their results, discussing what they observed. Alice suggested that the spin was due to air resistance. Billy thought it might be because of gravity. Carlos pondered if the angle at which they tossed the coin played a role. They shared their ideas, excited to explore them further. They tested their theories by trying different coins, like nickels and quarters, and varying the angle at which they tossed them into the air. They recorded their results, eager to find patterns. After a busy afternoon of experimenting, they sat down to analyze their data. They discovered that coins did indeed spin longer when tossed at certain angles, and heavier coins spun for shorter periods. There was still much to learn about why this happened. They turned to their trusted library books for answers, and found that the phenomenon was due to a combination of air resistance, gravity, and rotational inertia. They excitedly explained their findings to each other. Armed with new knowledge, they began working on a presentation to share their findings with the rest of Scientopia. They wanted everyone to learn about the amazing world of spinning coins. They practiced their presentation many times, honing their delivery and explaining the physics of spinning coins in a way that even the youngest children could understand. They were ready to share their discoveries with Scientopia. The big day had arrived. Alice, Billy, and Carlos stood on stage, looking out at the eager faces of Scientopia's citizens. They took a deep breath and began their presentation. As they finished, the crowd erupted in applause. Alice, Billy, and Carlos beamed with pride as they took a bow. They had learned so much about science, and now they could share that knowledge with everyone in Scientopia. Alice, Billy, and Carlos had embarked on an adventure in science, and they had learned so much along the way. They now understood why coins spin for so long when tossed in the air. More importantly, they discovered the joy of asking questions, experimenting, and learning together.